Alright, let's be real for a second. Nutrition bars from the store often look healthy on the outside. Cool packaging, buzzwords like high protein or superfood. But when you flip them over and read the label, it's a different story. Many of them are packed with sugar, preservatives, and hard-to-pronounce ingredients that sound more like a science experiment than a snack. Take the Clif Bar Chocolate Chip, for example. It has nearly 17 grams of sugar, mainly from brown rice syrup and cane syrup. Or the KIND Breakfast Probiotic Bar, which, while tasty, contains 13 grams of sugar and a variety of additives. And don't even get me started on bars with soy protein isolate or palm kernel oil. Making your own bars gives you full control over what you're eating. You can use fresh, chemical-free ingredients, adjust flavors and textures to your liking, save money in the long run, and skip all the extra sugar and artificial junk. Plus, it's easier than you think. Let's break it down. What you need in your kitchen: a food processor or strong blender, mixing bowls measuring cups and spoons, a spatula or spoon for mixing, a square or rectangular baking dish, 8x8 works well, parchment paper, oven for baked versions, fridge and freezer space for no-bake bars. Here's a quick ingredient guide for building your bars. For the base, use oats, almond flour, puffed rice, or quinoa flakes. For binding agents, go with dates, bananas, honey, or nut butters. For protein, try whey or plant protein powder, chia seeds, hemp hearts, or nuts. Flavor boosters can include cocoa powder, vanilla, cinnamon, or dried fruit. And for add-ins, think dark chocolate chips, coconut flakes, seeds, or berries. Homemade bars aren't just better for your body. They're better for your wallet and your peace of mind. You get real food, real flavors, and the joy of knowing exactly what you're putting into your body. Try one of these recipes this week and see how easy it is to ditch the store-bought stuff for good. Want more lazy health hacks and quick recipes? Stick around at thelazyathlete.net and follow us on YouTube for video demos of these bars coming soon.